Yaki khubor ka Batesi TV
ka umdi basnyam bat penjaslian Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
Sembut Menteri Rangba ubah kami ikatnat transport ubah sengau halang dhar haka apsau trek uluber harjap san ula pentip bak Sorkar jelaskan kan sapen mi no da kajing penbena ban Pyrkhing ya Jingñiah Stet sebab Palat yaki kali hasurok da kajing temu ban Ïada ya Jingñiah jong ki Mynsiem bakordor bat ban penduna ya ki Jingñiah aksiden bat bakinong ya lenti kin singan hakali kawan bat kaya kayeng habakran cikila patai kubur ubah dhar ula ong ba ula lum jingelang ya baro kitna trekam jong Sorkar ha kabai dai ba kene kakam ban Ïada ya kinong ya kali bat kinong ya lenti hasurok ula ya thu pala patha ya katanat pulen ban Pyrkhing bah ya kinu ki bapen Stet syaba Palat ya ki kali saw syaka bat ki thok arsyaka.
The outcome is good because all the related department they are trying their best to cooperate and coordinate with the other line department. Yes, maybe not up to the mark, but they are working very hard. And we are insisting them to work harder, so at least to make sure that there will be less accident on the road in future. You see, yes, when the report is there, so yes, there is few locations which accidents frequently happen. So we suggest that we see what we should do, what corrective measures should be there. For example, if there is any near the school, we advise them to put rubber strips, speed breaker. And if there is any cough which is frequently accident to place, we advise them to see how to correct the place. Something that is always to prevent accident. Yes, exactly today we discussed that. Not only to the two-wheelers, even for the vehicles, we request the police to make sure our speed should be strictly prohibited. Speed limit is different from state to state, and we are working on it. Because different road, different stretch, different. You see, for example, the plain area and hill area is different, but we are working towards that also.
But inside the town, are you planning to have some speed limit?
That is exactly. In the towns, different speed. In the cities, different speed. In the rural, different speed. In the highways, different speed. We are working on it.
So we can say that the state government is working on in giving the speed limit in
we
certain.
We are working towards that. Maybe in a matter of 2-3 months, we'll be able to come with notification to notify this. This is the speed limit for a particular road or for a particular junction.